Hari Om friends, welcome to KACC Creator. Today's subject is anatomy. Topic is human figures, body parts, drawing eyes, nose and other facial features fall under anatomy. You can see it's written anatomy, ANATOMY. It requires understanding the underlying structure, proportions and forms of the human body. Why should we learn anatomy? Good question. Drawing relies on anatomical principles. It helps to create realistic or even stylized depictions. So, anatomy is a very important subject in drawing. We also need to understand perspective views from different angles. Let's start from the eye. These are some rough sketches for you to know. It would have been very easy to draw an eye if there were no eyelids. These are the eyelids. Why so? The eyeballs are spherical in shape. They can move in almost all directions. This eye is like a camera, and there are 5 main parts of the human eye. First, let's draw the eye so you will have an idea. Shape of eyes differ. We'll draw that type of eye which is common. The outline for the eyelashes. Let's make some. See, the eyelash start from the center. You cannot draw eyelashes in random. There are some rules. From the center it starts like this, goes to all the directions. As you know, this is the upper eyelid. Lower eyelid. Eyelashes. This part is the iris. This part outside. This part which is inside with a hole is called the pupil. That's why students are called as pupils. Pupils. Wow. A film that protects the iris. In fact, it gives a glossy, shiny appearance to the iris, to the entire eye. In fact, remember your science teacher, she had taught you something like this. Now do you remember? Yes, this is the cornea. Cornea. Iris is here, and these lenses are behind the iris. You can't see it. Why did I teach you this? Because if you have to correct your drawing and have to say you have to darken the pupil, or you have to give more shade to the iris, or work on your lower eyelid, then you should know the parts.